Man 2406. Today I'm going to be joined by Michelangelo 4252.
As always.
And just making my morning vlog. Well, not much is going on. Just kind of woke up, I should say. Taking the dogs on a walk. So, yeah. There's something in my eye. Okay, I got it.
If you gotta poop, take a dump. So now you got to.
Oh, I think he's looking for a place to do it. Yeah. Not much is going on, you guys. Well, except for last vlog, I said it looked like it was gonna storm tonight, and it looked like it wasn't. Then it actually did at 1 o'clock.
It did.
Yep.
Did it rain?
I don't know. Possibility.
Well, Frosty's done. So.
No. Well, not much is going on, guys. Just
Probably.
taking a.
We caught 7 trout yesterday.
Oh yeah, caught 7 trout. I caught 1. If I wouldn't have messed around, I would caught 2. I caught 1. He caught 2.
And then Dad caught
Then
4.
Mike caught 4. His limit. I think it is limit.
Yeah.
So yeah. Hello. Not much else to talk about, really. Right, Michelangelo?
You can call me Zach.
I know, but it's just your name on YouTube, so. Inside?
Yes.
Inside, guys.
Frosty wins.
Inside. Get up there.
Boy.
Good boys. We're back in the camper. Well, that's it, guys. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.